Hey yo, can I get a hip hip? Yo, what's good? It's your boy Premier. Alright my boys, in this episode I'm gonna give you a basic task to complete using arrays. And then after I'm gonna go through my solution with you. Alright, so do you remember back in the day, back in primary school when we used to do times tables? Them ones there, fam. Well, your task is to create a program using arrays that shows only the 12 times table, then output the data in this format. Alright, chill, so get going on it. I'll give you a little bit of time to get it done. Alright, calm, so did you give it a go? If so, that's dope, man. Great work. We're gonna go through my solution and you can compare how you did. But if you didn't give it a go, fam. Okay, chillin'. So my approach is a crazy simple one. My thought process is like this. First I need to store my times tables in memory. As you know, times tables go up to 12 and they're gonna be whole numbers, so there's no need for decimal point accuracy. Okay, bless. So I create an integer array of size 12. Each element will store the result of a times table calculation. Ensure that you default initialize your array. It's good practice to do so. Okay, so the next thing to do is to actually calculate the values within the times table. There are many ways that you can do this, yeah, but bear in mind, for those who are more experienced, that we're only going to use techniques that I've discussed in the previous 6 episodes. So the approach that I took was a manual one. Go through every single element in the array and calculate the corresponding indexes times table. So the first element will store 1 times 12. The second will store the result 2 times 12. And so on, you man get the point. Okay, chillin'. Pretty simple really. Now the last thing to do is to output the results to the user. This is pretty trivial also. I just use basic output to communicate the results to the user. For example, 1 times 12 and then output the corresponding element. So in this case, the first element, element 0. Simple as. Now when you run this, you'll get the following. Nice. Pretty simple exercise to get you used to using arrays. But boy, for something so simple, that was so long and tedious. Imagine if you had to output all the times tables 1 to 12. Oh my god, that would be long. But what if I told you this example here could be rewritten in under 10 lines of code? Yeah boy, using something called iteration, which we're gonna discuss next episode. Have fun, keep pushing. See you in my next episode. Peace.